everyone, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. I have been experimenting with the bloom technique, blowing out one side and kind of modifying the other and spinning it a little bit. I'm going to see, I have a 7.5 inch heart canvas. See if I have enough paint. May not. Try to get it all out here. Hope you guys are doing well today. I think I might have found my thing. I really like doing these, so it's kind of fun. And they're very pretty. I've done, I think, 3 other videos. If you haven't seen them, just click on my videos and go to them. Let's see. Okay, that is empty. I think I might do a little bit of smearing. I think I might put some of this pearl lime green in the background. Yeah, I think we're just gonna put all this green in here. Smear it around a little bit. That's a pretty color. Now mix that green to paint with the Valspar untinted base C house paint and some Jo Sonja varnish. Smear this around here and see if we can get this covered up. Just get it on the background a little bit. So I'm gonna put down the this little piggy's nebula. Blue. I think that'll look really cool. Just making sure I have enough paint all the way across. Yeah, I do. I do now. So this should be interesting. I'm gonna lay this down and see what happens. We have this little piggy's nebula. I'm gonna put it down first. And which way are we gonna go? We're gonna blow this way to the bottom. I'm gonna have to find something other to use these paints in because I have too many left. So you guys will be getting tons and tons of videos from me this week. Which I tend to post them on my YouTube and I post them on TikTok at Angela Bliss if you guys want to go find me there. I usually shrink them down to about a minute or so, so they're not too long for TikTok. It's the Silver Deco Art Extreme Sheen. I'm going to do the white and then the black. And I'm just going to blow this out on cool air low fan and see what happens. May not have enough paint in the base, but we'll see. Got a lot of this collected in here. Get some of it out. There we go. A little bit of that black. Pretty cool. There. That's why I love this bucket. I can just run my hands across it when I want. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now we're going to take this wooden chopstick and modify some of the sides a little bit. I kind of blew it out a little further than I wanted, but I'll just try to see what we get. Okay, just gonna spin her out and see if we have enough paint. I think we do almost. I'm gonna do it one more time. Good. Around the corners, around the sides. Hopefully it'll drip down. It'll be enough. Here and see if I can get some of this paint on the side. There we go. Pretty, guys, very pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed these. They're really quite beautiful. I love them. I was telling my husband that I think I might have found one thing that I absolutely love to do in this paint pouring, which I love it all, but these have been really, really cool to do. So If you like them, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on social media, Angie's Art Asylum on Facebook, at Angela Bliss on TikTok, and of course here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the dried results of all of this, and hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, this is the dried result. Isn't it beautiful? It is so pretty. It's just a little 7.5-inch heart canvas, and I smooshed I think it was like the Arteza Pearl Green that I used. I just smooshed it around on top of the pillow paint and blew it out on top, and it's so pretty. Shimmery. I love the middle. The middle's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, it's so super pretty. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing, and I look forward to bringing you lots more of this paint pouring debacle that I'm in here. I absolutely love what I'm doing, so please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this piece. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.